I'm a Year 4 student majoring in statistics at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. I enrolled in JE internship program and work on ETL projects, data analytics, visualization, and automation for the automotive product group finance team. JE provides different training opportunities for interns and empower us to try new things to support our learning. For example, I've got a chance to study Power BI and complete the Power BI certification program. I applied my knowledge and skills to the projects and work with colleagues on real-life data analysis. I would like to thank my mentor, Vincent, who offered an opportunity for me to participate in the automation task, as digital transformation is one of the business focus. I was responsible for writing some codes using Visual Basic Script to support the Power BI workspace backup automation process for file retrieval. My mentor and the team gave their support and encouraged me with a can-do attitude. Eventually, I finished the assigned jobs on schedule. I have gained valuable and fruitful internship experience at JE. I will continue to sharpen my skills in data visualization, as it is one of the skills required for becoming a data analyst.